Let's jump into this explainer on how to get Kodi running on your Roku.
You might be wondering if a real Roku jailbreak is actually possible today.
The short answer is no. Roku's closed system totally blocks hacking and unauthorized apps.
But there's a fantastic workaround. We can screen mirror Kodi from another device.
Let's walk through a super simple 3-step guide to get it streaming smoothly.
First, prep your Roku. Just press the Home button to reach your main menu.
Head down to Settings, hit System, and then select Screen Mirroring.
Set your mode to either Prompt or Always Allow. Step 1 is done.
Step 2 is getting Kodi. An Android device gives the best mirroring experience here.
Open your Google Play Store and search for the official Kodi app. Tap Install, accept those permissions, and launch it to make sure it opens correctly.
Step 3 is Casting. Keep in mind Androids use different names like Smart View or Cast.
Go to your Android display settings, find your Cast option, and tap your Roku.
This is crucial. Both devices must be on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Open Kodi on your phone, pick a movie, and it mirrors instantly to your TV.
No Android? Mac mirroring is kind of clunky, since it needs a Plex integration workaround.
Windows works beautifully with Miracast. Just check your display settings and hit Connect.
Got an iPhone? Install Kodi. Download the official Roku app and use Play on Roku.
Screen mirroring is definitely the best way to unlock your Roku. So, what do you stream first?